Another empty haulback? Man, I'm burning fuel for nothing.
Freight costs are killing me. There's gotta be a better way.
What if we told you there's a way to fill empty trucks/shipping costs and help the planet? Meet RouteAlign.com, the game changer for shippers, carriers, and Mother Earth. Drivers, before you drop your load, post your empty truck on RouteAlign. Let everyone know the date, location, and destination. Boom! Extra cash for your return trip. Shippers need a bargain? Search empty trucks near you and book instantly. Save 30 to 50% off standard rates.
I used to haul air, now I haul cash.
Drivers fill empty miles equals more money. Shippers grab discounts equals bigger profits. Fewer empty trucks equals cleaner air.
RouteAlign just made my job easier.
With RouteAlign, everybody wins and laughs all the way to the bank.
I'm saving so much I might buy a yacht, or at least a kayak.
Stop wasting time and fuel. Join RouteAlign.com today, where empty trucks become full wallets.